Part 2 of Storm Chasing in Brookhaven. Oh, I don't know why this guy made my Dominator 3 black. Well, I don't really care. The only thing is to survive tornadoes. I'm just gonna go back to my house. Oh shoot, I just forgot to make a house. That's the worst. Okay. Let's go over here. Like, guys, I'm not racist. I'm just saying they couldn't make the text Dominator 3 red. But it's okay, I guess. At least it can survive tornadoes. Okay, let's go, bro. Whew. Oh, no tornadoes. I think this is the New York City. So I'm not really at that old city. So there's a little fewer tornadoes, but there's still tornadoes I need to survive. But our only goal is to make it to this country who have no tornadoes and eternal life with no natural disasters. So I need something to survive. Let me just move my stuff. Perfect. Okay. Where? You know what? Maybe we can add a little white robot right here. Wow. Anyways, let's just add our... let's do this table. Okay. Perfect. But it's not really good. We're just gonna make it a little back. Let me put some servers in here. Perfect. And let's add a little of these, and boom. Our house is done. Oh my god. Okay, perfect. I'm just go to sleep until it's a Oh no, I better go to this tornado. Oh my god. Okay, let's get out of here. 10 hours later. It took so long to park. Let me see if there's snow. Huh? Did it lie? Oh my god, I see it over there. We gotta go to that. But I think it's an EF1, so I won't really get enough money. At least I can survive. Ooh, plants good. A ploy. Guys, I'm gonna show you a ploy. Hold on. Okay, time to get out of here. Because we already survived another tornado, so let's go over here. Okay, hurry you, dude, that'll take all day. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me just watch my phone. 10 hours later. Yeah! Whoa! Boom! Ha ha ha! So good. Whoa, this is the best product I ever had in this world. Oh my god. A tornado? Hold on. Mutant tornado have been spawned. Mutant tornado? Oh no. I need to save my people. Go. Oh my god, I see the mutant tornado over there. I need to get money, so I'm going to it. I am Dominator 3. Hold on. Oh. Okay, perfect. I'm in my car mode. Wait, guys, is it me or do this tornado kind of look like a heart? A ploy. closer. I need to get out of here. Ah! Oh my god, is that a mutant tornado? Wait, Dominator 3? Okay, I know idea. First, I'm going to tornado because this guy didn't put crazy employing. Crazy employ! Yeah, when you put crazy employ, it's not big tornadoes. Okay, perfect. Yeah, upgrade. Okay, I need to upgrade this Dominator 3. Upgrade this Dominator 3, sir. Sure, I'll fix it for you. Okay, let me just find my tools. Yes, I would need, oh, no, not that. Well, I don't really care about that. But anyways, where's my hammer? Perfect. Time to get fixed. So first, let's fix this back. 10 hours later. Okay, now that's done. We need like electric thing. So we're gonna put like this kind of electric thing. Perfect. Okay. Okay, now it's not gonna be a Dominator 3 if you don't have those like lights. So you need to make them. Okay, perfect. Let's change it to here. Perfect. Now the other way. Right here. Perfect. And now for the last finisher, just in case this is gas. Wait, no, not that. Actually, let's put another upgrade. We're gonna put like a employing system thing. So let's put that. So let's just put in the sign and then go down, then back, boom, perfect. Now we just need on the other side. Woohoo! Okay, perfect. But I can't even see the windows, so it's kind of hard. Boom and boom, perfect. Okay, the Dominator 3 is almost done. I just need to fix this gun. So let's just put it like right here. Now let's go right here, down a little bit more, and perfect. What the? Fine. Right this, like that. Boom, and then boom, and boom. I'm pretty sure it should look good, right? Perfect. Now let me just wait for this guy to come. Whoa. Okay, your Dominator 3 is ready.